A carrier air conditioner that is not cooling properly can be caused by several factors. One common issue is incorrect thermostat settings, such as when the thermostat is set to heat mode instead of cool mode. To resolve this, simply change the settings to cool and wait a few minutes before turning on the AC. Dirty air filters are another culprit, as they can limit airflow and reduce the cooling efficiency of the AC. To correct this, turn off the AC before cleaning the filters. Additionally, a blocked condenser unit can also be a problem, often due to environmental debris like dirt or leaves. To clean the condenser unit, use a brush to vacuum the coil or gently wash it with a hose. By addressing these common issues, it is possible to fix a carrier AC that is not cooling. And the process is relatively simple.